Hey, what's up, guys? Bueller here again, and today I kind of wanted to go over the Discord community video again, just because the other two are kind of old, so I kind of wanted to go over it again. But I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna give bland explanations, pretty simple explanations over each channel. So right now we're viewing the server as a trial role. So you can come in here, you can get a free trial for 3 days, and we'll hook you up with that. So DM us or tag us in chat. Me or the other founder, John, and we'll hook you up with that, and then we'll take it away in due time. But here we have the announcements channel where most just general announcements are made. New analysts, new videos. Invite your friend, stuff like that. Just good announcements. We have our disclaimer, our rules of chat, introduction, which this will be re-updated, FAQ, which this will be re-updated. But most of the questions are already still here. If you ever have any questions or main concerns or anything, most of your answers can be found here. And then of course the upgrade channel, where you can type upgrade or downgrade depending on where you're at on the server. It'll take you to this screen here. You'll sign in and stuff, and then you'll choose which membership you want. But let's keep moving on. As you can see, we have our server stats. Our next goal is 2,500. Right now, we're just under 2050s. Channel count 66, which is actually, I think, a little more than that. As we open up the different roles, it'll change. But as you can see here, we have another tab under the general tab. This is just kind of extra stuff. You can kind of just keep this one tabbed out like that, keep it small, and you could do that with all your tabs too. But here with the BB course, you could see some of the reviews, some of the info, what's in the course, all that good stuff. A link to all of my links, of course, but then of course to the BB system itself, and you could see the checkout screen. You could see a couple of the testimonies that are laid out here on the right. And then you can kind of click on this icon here, and you can get a little more info on it. You can see, okay, it's day trading, swing trading, pure price action, and then you'll see a little bit more feedback from other people. So just kind of wanted to highlight that, just because I didn't know if anybody knew about. You click on that little other icon and see more stuff. But there you go. Testimonials, of course. Support a business, where you can ask to get your business dropped in. Truth and motivation, just good random truth and motivation to throw out to people. The polls, how was your trading day? Random quiz questions like, what percentage of gaps fill. I think before too we did a swing trading vote. Let's see. Yeah, right here. What style of trading is your favorite? Most people chose swing, day, and then of course last was scalp. But all good. Here we have the weekly watch list. This is the most important section. This is where the alerts will be from our analysts, from me, from all the top traders in the chat. But as you can see, we have a couple channels laid out for scalp, day, swing trading, technical analysis watch list. But the weekly watch list is pretty cool. Let me slide this over and show you. So this is what we get every single week. One of my homeboys ends up making up a big list. But each one of these you can click, and it'll take you down to the respective TA. And then it'll take you down. But he does crypto, he does stocks, he does indexes, gold, oil, all that good stuff. Corn, wheat, all that. Literally all kinds of different. If it's a chart, it's on here. But good economic stuff too, links to the economic calendars, what does all that mean, all that good stuff. So that's extra good help. Here's the daily watch list. This is mainly where you'll see me post all my stuff each day. So I'll post a list each day, and we get a review each day as well. So as you can see that. Let's go back to this scalp trading. So scalp trading is mainly ran by my boy Daddy Elon, and then there's a couple other analysts as well. Each analyst has various permissions to these channels, so not every analyst will have permissions to each channel, but every analyst has permissions to a channel, if that makes sense. It's kind of where they kind of specialize in, where of course Daddy, Elon, Dylan, all of them are going to be in here. Everyone can kind of take on day trading. You'll see Jason, everyone in here a lot more, David, Mithin. And then you'll see me and Chef and J-Bake mainly take over this one, as well as Jason here and there. But this is where all the swing trading is done. As you can see, we do videos, breakdowns. We do everything. So we love swing trading more than everything. So if you're into swing trading, you definitely need to be in here. Here's technical analysis, where we just kind of post more special charts for what we think is going to move. And then, of course, like I said, the watch list review, where you can get a review of each day's watch list, as well as each swing week's results. Here we go with the admins board. This is a general spot for two of my friends who are very big staff in here and have been here a long time. But here's Harland. As you can see, he didn't have watch list the past couple days, but he does a good job, a very, very good job on smaller tickers. So if you really can't find smaller tickers to play, you need to be watching Harland's channel more. And then Tin Man, he's kind of our spreads analyst. Very, very smart dude. He can break down just about anything you ask. But as you can see here, he broke down Piton. He broke down other stuff. See, we all give contract stop losses. We give trade plans. Here's Hangout Chat, where you can just kind of find a general just talk board, really. Trade Floor, where you'll find most of the trading, trade talk done text-wise. And then here we go to Post Setups, where anybody can post just about anything. Trading Bot, a lot of useful info there. If you need the commands, just click on the pin messages. Oh, that's a big thing too. Pin messages. And most of these channels, you can go to this button right here, and it's on your phone too. And there'll be a lot of very important messages. So there's the commands to everything just for that bot. News. And this is just for the trial roll. So, of course, there's a lot more channels to see. BB zones. This is where you can learn about the BB system and zones being traded at the same time. This is a very peak performance strategy. Patterns, where you'll see tons of patterns, breakdowns, what they are, what they do, how you can see them. YouTube is just kind of where you'll see all of our YouTube made. And then our free educational server, you can click over it and it'll take you into here, where all of this info is free for everyone. So if you have any friends or anybody who wants to learn more or check out all this free info, all of our top strategies are in here too. Down here, come down here. BB day trading system, chef's zones, 3-bar, 4-bar plays, TA routine, volume, support, and resistance. You go through all this, you're going to be good. But let's check out the server as a basic role. So, oh wait, I'm sorry. You don't really see much more as a basic. That's just the difference between them. Basic can type a lot more. Trial cannot. Premium. Here's premium. All right, so here's the VIP introduction where I go over everything you unlock. Videos, notes, all kinds of stuff. Trading lessons where you can go on them yourself. You don't need someone to wait for you. You can kind of go do it yourself. A lot of call-outs for dark flow, big order flow are posted here, where we have another bot which took, well, let's see what he did. Let's go find it. Yeah, right here. He took a 10K account over 200, almost to 230K so far in our premium channels. So if you want to come catch some spoon feed alerts, here they are. As well as some more spoon feed BB spreads alerts. This is where spread alerts are posted. So if you're into call spreads, credit spreads, all that good stuff, calendar spreads, they're in here. Top guides is where a lot of our guides will be posted. Keys, tons of info posted in here on a weekly basis. As you can see, I can scroll for weeks up in here. Trading lessons, this is what I was talking about, where you can kind of come through here and you can really do a lesson on your own. You can come through here and learn about how to read flow better. You can come through here and learn about indicators, all kinds of stuff, and they're all typed out by me and my friends. So here's the Jason's bot. This is the options flow. So you have this as well with premium. Here's the large orders. You can see all the large order. Some block trades. This is all stocks. Price spikes. This is big movements in a very quick amount of time. And then my favorite, of course, the news feed. This is where you get a live tap at the live current time as other traders to see the current news. So if anything crazy comes out, you'll see it here first. That's where you'll see my screen sit out a lot of the time. So let's view the server as a lifetime role. So last but not least, we have our lifetime section, in which I just kind of give a various breakdown, but I post patterns in here, we drop charts in here, we talk in here, and then we have meetings here sometimes. But most of the time you'll see us in here where I stream for about 3 hours a day. I'll be in there, and when you join this chat right here, the voice channel, with any membership, another channel will appear. Let me show you it. Live voice chat. This is where people can type while we're in voice chat. So I wasn't here Friday, as you can see. But I wanted to do this video, though, because it's a very good breakdown on what you can expect to see when you come and be a part of our server. Everybody in here just wants to see you win. Everybody in here just wants to see you grow. That's really all this server is. So if you want to come check out the BB community, please come check us out. We don't really trade indicators. That's all side confirmation. It's all mainly pure price action, pattern trading, all that good stuff. If you want to learn how to chart, trade better, please join us. We're one of the cheapest chats, and we offer some of the most info, some of the most content. I'm one of the most active traders on on various medias. So please let us know if you need any help or what we can do to get you on our team and learning with us. So let us know. Click the link in the bio of the YouTube channel, and it should show you all the various links. I highly recommend watching the YouTube, checking out the free server. These are both free. You don't have to pay anything for this stuff. That's my whole point. I don't care if someone wants to pay us or not. So there's tons of info for free and paid. You want to come learn whatever, you can really go through whatever route you want. It's really up to you. So come check us out. We just want to see everybody win. And as you can see, our swing trading so far this year is insane. And this isn't even all year. This is just from the third month. But As you can see, just out of 96 of our last call-outs for swing trading between me and Chef, as well as using the Mustache bot, we're about 75% accurate on almost 100 call-outs. So that's pretty good. Very excited. Our roughest week being this week, but again, we don't hide from our losses. We grow from them. I'm not worried about that. We're going to definitely look next week for opportunity. We've already kind of reset. We've reviewed. We've gone over everything, which is funny because even this 57% is still a profitable week on all these signals. So that was the funny part. But yeah, click the link in the bio. Come check us out. We're glad to have you all.